Hi guys, and today we're going to be looking at completely customizing the Garmin Forerunner 245. I do know this watch really well, and I'm pretty sure I've covered off every single aspect of how to customize the watch. If you're new here, please press subscribe now. I'm Shanebow. I make running videos, running tech videos, and how-to videos. I'd love you to be on this journey with me. Anyway, let's not mess about. Let's get straight into the customizations, starting with how to change the watch strap. So a brand new watch strap. So if you want a new watch strap, you want a 20mm quick release watch strap. So the one that I just put on there, I would definitely not recommend for running. The reason I went for that one is if I'm going out in the evening, I might want to put something slightly different on my arm, apart from the silicone watch strap that it comes with, which I think is really, really good for running anyway. But there are so many different watch straps you can get. If you wanted that particular one, it's linked below. So you've changed the watch strap. You need to change the watch face. Let's find out how to change the watch faces. So basically just keep the up button down and then go over to start, and then you'll see that there's the preloaded ones in here that it comes with, and nice basic ones as well. Then you can move on to some analog ones, and then from there you'll start seeing the ones I've installed. Loads of details on that one. I really wanted to show you the level of detail you can go into. And then got some fun ones just here as well. Quite a detailed one with an analog watch face. This one's got loads on it, absolutely loads. And then we move on to some kind of like more comic-y fun ones, just to make it a bit more fun. To install them, you just go to the Garmin IQ store on the app, and you'll see that you've got like a list of digital watch faces just here. Scroll down a bit more, you've got analog watch faces just here as well, but there are literally loads of them. Once it's loaded up, just on the right hand side you'll see the blue button that says download. You just click the download button. Next time you sync, it's there on your watch ready to go. So the watch does have smart notifications, so you can get text messages and WhatsApp messages directly to the screen. So really great facility is to be able to do quick responses on those when your phone's in your pocket, or you want to do it really discreetly. You can just press a few buttons. Let me show you how it works and how to set it up. It's really great. So click the watch icon at the top of the screen just there, and then after that just click on text responses, and then click on the top option, respond to messages. All these red ones are ones that are already on your watch. These blue ones at the bottom, they are ones that you can add to your watch if you want. I have changed a few of them already. And then the other thing you can do as well, if you want, is you can reorder them just by dragging them around. Then the ones at the top will be the first options that you then get on your watch when you want to respond to somebody. So you can have a little look here. There are loads of them. If you want to add a new message, it's quite easy really. Just click on the plus button, and I'm making a video. So that's saved. That will then automatically go onto my watch list. So let's have a little look. Oh, we've got a message there off Bex, thinking of you. So we're going to go to reply, and then we're going to go to love you. Oh, she's going to be so happy with me. So looking at the smart notifications as well, you can actually go in and work out which notifications you do or you don't want coming through to your watch. Sometimes they're just not that important to show up on your watch, but sometimes you might really want to see what's going on. So for instance, my Amazon alerts, I love coming through to my watch. My Ring video camera, I love alerts if there's any motion coming through. I love my email, I love my text messages coming through. Let me just show you how to set that up. So basically just slide over from the left and then click settings just down there at the bottom. Then click smart notifications, and you'll then have a full list of all the apps on your phone that will then alert you. Just swipe the little button. And here's just a few examples of setup for you. Here's Gmail, and hi YouTube viewers, you are awesome by the way. And here is my Ring video camera just coming through with a motion alert. As you already know, I'm pretty hands-on, so we're outdoors now, we're going for a run with the watch. The watch has got a really great facility where you can say, for instance, tell it that you want to run between 8:30 and 9-minute miles. And if you go under that 8:30 or over the 9 minutes, it'll actually beep at you. It's really great. Let me show you how that works. Okay, so we are running just under the 9 minutes and just within the 8:30 at the minute. So let's pick up some pace and really go for it. And it's going to pick up now that, bam, I've just gone under that 8:30 threshold. So it's going to give it a few seconds, and no, it's gone red and it's saying you are now at 7:09. So you need to really slow down. So when I was filming this, I slowed down then, and I've just gone over the 9 minutes now, as you can see. Give it a couple of seconds. Oh, there you are, and I'm going far too slow, 9:45. You can also install little apps to your watch as well. They're called widgets. Let me show you an example of a couple and also how to install those. There are literally loads to install. So just click up on your watch. There you are. This is in a case of emergency one. If you get injured or something, someone can cycle through your watch. That's a period tracker. I'm not too sure how that works exactly, but I know those are really, really popular with Fitbit. And then there's a battery level, so you can really see some extra bits that I've put in on the battery level. So to do this, all you need to do is go to the Garmin IQ store, which is in the menu. Basically that will then load up, and the amount of apps you've got on here, or widgets I should say, is absolutely phenomenal. So you've got all this like little list where they break it all down just here, but if you click on the top right, you can see everything. So you can just click on widgets. That'll then take you through to all the widgets. So it's ranked at the minute by popular, but just look at the amount of widgets you've got on here to put on here. There are so many things that you can do with this watch. It's unreal. So you can even install games. Yes, you heard it right. You can even install games to your Garmin Forerunner 245. Let me show you how to do that. So again, just go to the IQ Connect store and just go through, and you've got having fun just here. And there you are. There's a few little games on there. So we're going to install this Super Bird game, and it's now installed. To go for that, you just go for start like you would have run. And it's just going to collect standard just here, and there you are. It's a Flappy Bird clone on your watch. How cool. Without a doubt, my very favourite customization is the data screens. And I have talked about this on some of my other videos, and I do have a really in-depth tutorial planned around data screens as well. But when you're out running, you can actually change what's on your screen so you can see exactly what you want to see or what you don't want to see. There are some absolutely crazy data screens out there. Let me just show you. So you just go to run, and then straight away you're faced with a data screen. So you can press down, and you can see all the extra ones that you've installed, but it just gives you the ability to track exactly what you want to track whilst you're actually out running, and all the information is there live. You can even put like a map on there. It's absolutely brilliant. Let me just show you how to actually set that up. So again, you want to go to the Garmin IQ store on the app, and you have literally got so many data screens. It is absolutely unreal. You can also set up a help facility as well. So if you need some help, you can actually alert somebody that you are either you've fallen over, you think someone maybe is following you if the worst was to happen. It's just a button press. I do want to just mention as well, you do need to take your phone with you. You need a signal on your phone, and you need a Bluetooth connection between your watch and the phone for it to work. But this is a really great facility. So again, Garmin Connect app, go down to safety and tracking, and then incident detection assistance. What you've then got is a little blue button at the bottom, add emergency contacts. Those are the people that you can then contact if you've got an emergency. To do it, all you need to do is be out, keep the light button down, and just keep it down on this screen, and it will then come up with release power key. And then you can cancel it if you want by pressing down, or if you just leave it, it's then going to put that help out for you. Guys, one of the things that's really helped me out in 2 marathons is the facility to actually put a training plan into the watch. It's absolutely fantastic. So Garmin have updated this software on the app. You can put a training plan, you can put a 5K, 10K or a half marathon on there. So it might be that you're new to running and you want to get a 5K medal and you're going to enter a 5K race. So you can put a training plan into your watch for that, which is fantastic. Or it might be that you're running your first half marathon, or you've already run a few half marathons, you want to get an even better time. You can actually set it up with your times, how much you're running at the minute, and it's going to work out for you a really, really great plan. There is also a full marathon plan that you can get, but you need to get that from Garmin's website. Let me just show you how to set it up and what it looks like on your watch. So all you need to do, slide over from the left-hand side just here, click on training, and then click on training plans, and then you've got it. You've got your 5K, you've got your 10K, you've got your half marathon, whichever one you want to go for. Just go to set a plan and then just follow the prompts on the screen. It's really easy. Next time you use your watch and you select run, basically what will happen is it will actually say, do you want to do your workout? If you want, you can view it as well, just to see what was going on. So it wants a warm up of 2 minutes, then you've got to go running for 5 minutes, and then a cool down for 2 minutes. If you didn't want to do the run, you just wanted to do a normal thing, just press skip. So there you are. Hopefully you can really go away now and customize your 245 exactly the way you want it. The video's been good, guys. Please press like. Also, press subscribe. It's a no-brainer. I try and make really, really great, credible videos. I've got loads and loads more planned. There's quite a few videos on my channel already for you to watch. Plenty of information in the description below about the 245 as well. If you've got any comments, any questions, put them below. And I just want to say a big thank you to the people that have left really, really great comments. They've really meant a lot to me. You know who you are, and thank you so much for leaving those. Guys, I'll see you again soon. I hope you've enjoyed the video.